In September 1992, one man made over $1 billion in a single day. Not from technology, not from oil, but by betting against an entire country's currency. This is the story of George Soros, the trader who broke the Bank of England and changed how the world understands markets, power, and speculation. George Soros was born in 1930 in Hungary during a time of political chaos. He survived Nazi occupation, escaped communism, and later moved to England. At the London School of Economics, he studied under Karl Popper, who taught a powerful idea. Markets are not perfectly rational. People's beliefs influence reality. That idea would later become the foundation of Soros' trading philosophy, reflexivity. Soros believed markets don't just reflect reality. They shape Italiano. When enough people believe something will happen, their actions make it happen. This is why bubbles form. This is why crashes accelerate. And this is why Soros didn't trade charts alone. He traded human behavior. In the 1970s, Soros founded the Quantum Fund. While most traders focused on technical indicators, Soros focused on macroeconomics, government policy, interest rates, central bank psychology. He looked for imbalances, systems under pressure that could break. And in 1992, he found one. At the time, Britain was part of the European exchange rate mechanism. The Bank of England was trying to keep the pound fixed at an artificial level. But Soros saw the truth. Britain's economy was weak. Interest rates were too high. The pound was overvalued. The Bank of England was defending the pound with billions. Soros believed they would eventually fail. So he made a bold move. Soros shorted the British pound aggressively. He borrowed pounds and sold them, expecting the currency to collapse. The Bank of England fought back, raised interest rates, spent billions buying the pound. But the market was stronger than the central bank. On September 16th, 1992, Britain withdrew from the EU. The pound collapsed. Soros made over $1 billion in one day. History was made. Soros didn't win because he was reckless. He won because he was convicted, but flexible. One of his most famous quotes, "It's not whether you're right or wrong, but how much you make when you're right and how much you lose when you're wrong." He pressed hard when the odds were in his favor and exited fast when he was wrong. George Soros became a symbol. 2 traders, a genius. 2 governments, a threat. 2 history, a legend. But his story teaches a powerful lesson. Markets are not just numbers. They are people, beliefs, fear, and power. And when those forces collide, fortunes are made. George Soros teaches us. Trade macro, not noise. Understand psychology, not just charts. Be bold, but disciplined. Cut losses fast. Pressed winners with conviction. He didn't just break a bank. He broke the illusion that markets are always controlled. If you enjoyed this story and want more wisdom from the legends who shaped the trading world, subscribe to Legend to the Chart, comment, share, give a like, and turn on the bell icon. No signals, just pure trading wisdom. See you in the next video.